I've seen a lot of videos saying things like the future is here, but I actually believe it for this one. At the end of this video, you'll never see cooking the same way again. First things first, let's get to the bottom of this. Ever opened your fridge, stared at 3 random ingredients and said, nah, I'll just order pizza? Yeah, who hasn't? But what if your kitchen could literally read your mind and make a gourmet meal out of that sad zucchini? Enter your AI food twin. It knows you better than mom. Just kidding. Or am I kidding? Your AI food twin stalks your cravings, allergies, and late-night ice cream binges. Wait, how does it do that? Well, it starts with a simple scan. Imagine giving your phone the power to look through your TikTok saves, your IG food pics, and even your grocery receipts. After that, your AI food twin analyzes everything you like, dislike, can eat, and can't eat. The result? A super personalized profile that predicts exactly what you want to eat next. It's like having a personal shopper for your stomach, except this personal shopper also slaps together recipes based on what's in your fridge and what's in season. Plus, you can save time and calories by virtually tasting dishes before making them. No more takeout roulette. You finally have a culinary wingman that understands your taste buds better than you. And honestly, we all know we need one. Let's face it, our dating lives may be a mess, but our kitchens shouldn't be. Thanks to AI, they're not. Time for the ultimate fridge makeover challenge. You open your fridge, and there's like a sad half onion, 1 egg, and some wilting spinach staring back at you. What do? Order delivery? Nah. Ask Alexa for a recipe. Nope. Call grandma for a virtual cooking session. Definitely not. So what's a hungry foodie to do? Easy. Whip out your phone and ask your AI food twin. Simply scan your fridge's contents and bam. You've got 3 beautiful recipe options generated instantly. Each comes with a cinematic food shot that'll make your mouth water. It's like having a personal chef without the personal chef. Wait, it gets better. We tried 2 of these AI recipes and they were actually delicious. But that's not all. This fridge glow-up challenge was all about taking those random lonely ingredients and transforming them to something gourmet. With its intelligent matching system, AI ensures nothing goes to waste. While other apps help reduce food waste by 50%, AI reduces it by 70%. It's like having a personal shopper for your stomach, except this personal shopper also slaps together recipes based on your fridge and the season. Plus, you can save time and calories by virtually tasting dishes before making them. Now hold on to your aprons, because the magic doesn't stop there. Next up, your AI sous chef. It's like having Gordon Ramsay in your pocket, except with less yelling and more tech. Picture this, you're cooking away, and suddenly your phone lights up with real-time tips. Bam, your pan is too hot. Lower by 20 degrees for that perfect sear. Oops, too much salt. You'll be tossing, turning, and plating like a pro L thanks to AI help. Unlike traditional recipes, this AI chef adapts to what you're actually doing, not some picture-perfect vision. Well, that's kind of what your AI food twin does for your cooking journey. It helps you find your style and level up your skills without any fancy schooling or expensive tools. Plus, it keeps track of your progress. No more messy cookbooks or stained recipe boxes. This is cooking in the 21st century. It's precise, it's timely, it's like having an extra set of hands. Only your hands would be cleaner and probably more talented. And guess what? It's not just a bunch of fancy talk. And it's seriously closer than you think. Robotic arms serve up food like a top-notch chef, while AI taste sensors nail the perfect spice blend in your soup. AI-powered soup ladles are here. Welcome to the future. The future of cooking is a collaboration between humans and AI. Will AI take over cooking? I really hope we don't end up eating robot meals. But hey, who knows? Maybe in the future, we'll all have personal AI chefs whipping up delicious meals on demand. Now, that would be pretty freaking awesome. Whether you're a broke student, a busy parent, or a foodie on a budget, your AI kitchen bestie has your back. Comment your dream AI kitchen feature below. The wildest one gets a shout out in the next video. Don't miss out. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss when we put AI against a celebrity chef. Trust me, it's going to be chaos. See you later.